Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya Namaha. A deceased dog was trying to enter the gates of Ramanashramam daily for 3 days. Other dogs and some ashramam people kept driving it away. One night, Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi slowly walked out of the hall without disturbing anyone. The person who attending him thought he was going to the bathroom and followed him at a distance. After a couple of minutes, when Bhagavan did not return, he went looking for him and heard Bhagavan's voice saying, Truptiyacha poduma. Isn't enough? Are you satisfied? The meaning. He found Bhagavan squatting next to the deceased dog. The dog was licking Bhagavan all over the body, including his face. While Bhagavan was talking to the dog with these words, after a few minutes, Bhagavan got up and slept on the cot without bothering to clean himself. Next day morning, the ashramites found the dog lying dead near the entrance. The dog was holding on to its life to have Bhagavan's darshan. Om Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Aruna Siva.